The lift is stable. Let's check the slings one more time.
All right, keep it slow. Watch the wingtip clearance on the right. Copy that. Steady as she goes.
These surface microfractures are extensive.
We need to check the structural repair specs on the blueprint.
All right, on three. 1, 2, 3, pull back.
It's heavy, keep it steady.
Watch the cables, bringing it down now.
All right, easy up, keep it steady.
Holding steady, coming clear of the fuselage.
Watch the starboard side, clear the tail.
Ensure the oxygen lines are properly depressurized first.
Copy that. Now checking the ejection seat pins.
Okay, that should be free. Ready to start lowering? Copy that. Ready for descent. Engaging hydraulics. Pressure holding steady. Pins extracting.
Almost there.
Complete. You see that carbon buildup on the intake manifold? Yeah, looks like it's time for a proper cleaning.
Let's get the air compressor on it.
Keep pushing.
Almost there.
Watch the clearance. All right, push it back slowly. Keep it steady. Watch your back. The data indicates a microfracture along this stress point.
Got it. I'll flag it for repair.
Check the alignment of the intake ramp actuators.
Solid. Time for the next panel.
Keep that bead even, character B.
Holding it steady, character A.
Looks good.
Ultrasonic cleaning initiated.
Torque it to 40. Copy that. Moving to the next one.
All right, bring it left. Steady. Steady. Holding the right side clear. Almost lined up now.
The filament is barely holding on. New one goes here.
Calibrate to 350.
Adjusting the needle now. Stable.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment. Got it, looks good. Clear the rails. All right, easy does it. Watch the rails.
Clear on my side, just a hair left.
Got it. Secure the webbing. Green lights check. Checking auxiliary. All instruments go. System checks complete. tape runs along this line. Check the edges here. We need more paper on the tail.
All right, bring it out slow.
Looking good, Captain.
Clear the path.
Engines are spooled. Visual confirmation, clear to taxi. Advancing throttle. Check power, full burner, go.
Great job, everyone. She turned out perfect.
Couldn't have done it without this team.